Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to find a solution about Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page we click on Netflix app and we click. Then this page of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have on Netflix app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.